The first step has been taken toward the crafting of a gender and development policy in Guyana. More than 200 participants, including government leaders, members of diplomatic community, non-governmental organizations, turned up at the Artichon Convention Center for the National Conference, which was convened to create the framework for the policy. Resident representative of the United Nations Development Programme, Ms. Khadija Musa, forwarded the idea that the underlying conduit for the achievement of equality is through unity.
As long as you think division by ethnic opportunities of development and equal rights will not happen. I would say when policies are developed by governments, they should really put the money where their mouth is and ensure that that policy gets a backbone and that policy is absolutely monitored and implemented by everyone. That is really important. Also, providing opportunity. We talk about opportunity. Opportunities, I can give you some experiences since I've worked in many countries in the world and saw many things, and particularly even within my own family. You will find really small oases of opportunity which teaches people that, just like plants, if you drop a little bit of fertilizer and water, it will grow. And
the social disease of inequality is one that has been affecting countries around the world for time immemorial. Minister of Social Protection Vola Lawrence tells how Guyana intends to achieve the goal of gender equality.
We must be able to use the policy as a strategic tool to guide a multifaceted and multi-social approach to achieve gender equality. We must be able to transform prevailing gender ideologies, reduce inequitable gender relations, and engender governance practices at all levels of public sector organizations in the initial stages.
The Organization of American States is also on board with Guyana. The country representative of the institution commended Guyana on this great step.
This National Conference on Gender Equity is an excellent watershed moment for Guyana to reflect on what has been done and how best to improve on its work in closing the gender gap in the public and private sectors.
The Guyana Country Report summary noted that, quote, despite Guyana's legislative reform program, the goal of the eradication of all discriminatory customs and practices has yet to be attained, unquote. For HGP 90 News, I am Jessica Daw.